Question 5. If fx is this and gx is this, such that fg equals to gf, find the relation between h and k. Right. So if fx is 3x plus k, gx is 2h minus 3x. First, let's find what is fgx. So if fx is 3x plus k, fy is 3y plus k, fgx would be 3gx plus k. We know gx is this, so we sub this into here. Then we expand 6h minus 9x plus k. Right, this is our fgx. Next, we find what is gfx. So if gx is 2h minus 3x, gy 3y, gfx 3fx. So, sorry, 2h minus 3fx. So we sub the fx into here, 3x plus k. 9x minus 3k. Alright, so now we got fgx and we got gfx. So let's equate them. They are equal to each other. So you can say 6h minus 9x plus k equals to 2h minus 9x minus 3k. Right. Both sides also got minus 9x, so we can cut them off. So let's bring all the h to one side. 6h minus 2h equals to negative 3k minus k. So when you bring here becomes negative. K you bring there becomes negative. They want us to find the relationship between h and k. So let's make h the subject. For h is negative 4k. Therefore h is negative 4k over 4, giving us negative k. So this is the relationship between h and k.